Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister and Bengaluru Development Minister D.K. Shivakumar inspected the ongoing white-topping works on Tannery Road and Road in the Pulakeshinagar Assembly constituency. He was accompanied by MLAs A.C. Srinivas and Rizwan Arshad, Ambedkar Development Corporation Chairman Sampath Raj, BBMP Chief Commissioner Tushar Girinath, and Administrative Officer Maheshwar Rao. The visit signaled renewed urgency in the brand Bengaluru smooth traffic mission. The project aims to cover 1,700 km of city roads in phases, with the first phase involving 150 km across 97 roads at a cost of 1,700 crore rupees. The white topping initiative replaces asphalt with more durable concrete to withstand heavy monsoon impact and vehicular load. Shivkumar emphasized a 30-year design lifespan for the roads and directed that utility lines be integrated to prevent future digging. He also reviewed progress on Tannery and roads, which are vital arteries in Pulakeshinagar. Despite the push, concerns remain. Critics, including senior BJP leader R. Ashoka, have raised questions about the slow pace of implementation. Shivkumar has responded with intensified inspections, civic engagement, and interdepartmental reviews. Coordination between BBMP, BWSSB, and BISCOM continues to pose delays. Previous year, Shivkumar announced a 15-day deadline to fix nearly 2,800 potholes with a 660 crore rupees allocation. He also launched projects to upgrade 300 km of roads adjacent to stormwater drains. While officials from BBMP were present to account for the delay, public frustration continues as traffic congestion worsens across the city, which houses over 1.4 crore people and 1.1 crore vehicles. Shivkumar has acknowledged the scale of the challenge, noting that transforming Bengaluru's infrastructure is a multi-year task. However, he remains committed to exploring ambitious projects such as tunnel roads and double-decker flyovers, even amid technical skepticism from experts, including those from the Indian Institute of Science.